Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is brought to you guys by Aoolia. You guys, they did send over 3 pair of their glasses for me to try out for you guys. And first off, you guys, I'm showing you guys how packaging came. I love how it came really protected, you guys, and I love the box as well. So the first ones that I will be trying on for you guys is the Vibrant Square Beige glasses, you guys. This one was so cute, and if you are new girly, you are going to love these so much. They do have gold detailing on the corners, and they do come with a lens cleaner wipe as well. But like I said, these are so cute. You guys already know that I do love and tend to gravitate more towards square glasses. I love the detailing. I love the frame. I love the gold details, you guys. Super nice, and I feel like it fit my face frame so good. All right, y'all, so just to tell you a bit about the company, they offer over 1,000 styles of glasses without prescription and different materials and shapes. Also, at Aoolia, they believe that eyewear is a form of self-expression, you guys, that everyone should own more than a pair of glasses. Aoolia is one of the most popular online glasses retailers, you guys, and they make every effort to provide high quality affordable glasses, trendy glasses for consumers. All right, y'all. So the next pair of glasses that I will be trying on for you guys is Bowen Geometric Torso glasses, you guys. And funny thing about these glasses is that my husband actually picked these out, and I actually really like them. So don't be surprised if you see my husband wearing these because he liked these so much. So these are a different shape than I'm actually used to, you guys. So this is the first time that I've seen this type of shape on my face frame, you guys, and I absolutely love it. Comment below and let me know what you guys think about these glasses as well. If if these are something that you would wear yourself, you guys. And honestly, this was something that I didn't think that I would wear, but honestly I would. So yeah, comment below and let me know what you think. Okay, you guys, so last but not least, we do have the style, the Mayan, you guys, square red glasses. These right here was giving me so much spring and summer vibes, with the leopard and the red, you guys. I love it so much. Yeah, but these are, like I said, normally the style that I normally gravitate towards, the square glasses. I was trying to get out of my little comfort zone or whatever, but anyway, y'all end up back where I came from, okay? But I love these, you guys. They are so pretty. So yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about these as well. I loved all of the glasses. I will have all the information for the company in my description box below. So that way you guys can be sure to check them out and shop with them. Also, don't forget to use my discount code, you guys, for 15% off of your. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. Y'all, I'm sitting here in pain, y'all. My face hurts so bad. Got Legend. My baby Legend right here, y'all. Doctor prescribed me some oxycodone. And y'all, I promise you, it does not help. My mouth hurts so bad. So ridiculous. But luckily, I was able to get into my dentist tomorrow. I'm just so over this. It's my wisdom tooth. like, y'all. So over this. So I went to the hospital. Like I said, the doctor gave me some oxycodone, and then I had to take Phoenix because his eye got like fluid around his right eye. Y'all, come to find out it's an infection, not like pink eye or anything like that, but yeah. So he had to get antibiotics. Y'all, just going through. Just a mama that's going through. I'm tired. But husband is in the kitchen cooking dinner. Bitch, I'm not gonna eat. I can't even hardly swallow because my tooth hurts so bad. Legend, he's being good though. He's doing so good. He's getting so big, y'all. He's getting so big. And I'm just, y'all, over this. Just wanted to come and give y'all an update. So, yeah, y'all. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So right now we are home and we're about to go run some errands, but we're actually getting our carpet clean right now, you guys. And then after we get our carpet clean, like I said, I'm gonna run some errands. But I got 2 rugs out here that need to be. Alright y'all, so that's what's on the agenda for today. So stay tuned for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Y'all, so we got our carpet cleaned. Looks so good. Ain't nothing better than some clean carpet, y'all. Last time. I've been working on a whole new kindness. Sitting with my man. Getting some wings, y'all. Yep. Husband. Period. The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go. Y'all, these are so good. I told y'all we at the gas station, so husband got my chips, my favorite, y'all. Let me know if you try these. The blue one is my favorite, and the red one is my favorite, y'all. I cannot pick which one I love the most, y'all. So definitely check these out. Let me know if you already tried them in the comment section below. But these are my absolute favorites, you guys. Alright, y'all, so we got some anti-acid. We got some throat lozenges. Tylenol, y'all. Got me some shampoo and conditioner for my hair. We got some more Theraflu. We got to start stock on this. Nobody's sick, but you know, I like to keep that in my house just in case we do end up getting sick, y'all. We got 2 of these Eco Style gels. Y'all, this is some body mist, y'all. I was like, babe, this smells really good. So it smells good though, y'all. We got some of this foam. We got edge brush and some cups out of Dollar General. So this is Dollar General haul right here. And we got a kid some chips, but I mean, really, it's nothing to have in the haul. But okay, next. All right, y'all. So this right here is the beauty supply store items. So we got shampoo, y'all. Sponge. I end up getting some of this heat protectant for my wigs. Got some of this curl define gel. I got 2 of these edge jam, you guys. I needed 2 of these because this right here is essential in my house, okay? I got some of this, y'all. This was $30. $30 for this. This look blue, $30. I got this. I like to use this for my eyebrows. If you want a video, let me know. I'll show y'all. I got some of this. And I got some of this, y'all. For the girls, some pink eye lotion. I got some of these clips for my hair. Got this do-rag for husband. And then, excuse me, baby, I got some of this hair, y'all. This right here is going to be for my girls. I got a style that I want to do for my girls. So that's what I end up getting. And then also, I got them some hair bows. Yeah, let me see, Mina. I got them some hair bows. And
little hair bows.
Some gray hair bows, y'all. And you will not believe all of this was 200 and some change, okay?
Mama, you gotta take the picture of these.
Alright, y'all, so I got these from Egger Supply. These were $28. I got a size 8. They're cute, y'all. I like these. But, yeah, size 8 from Egger Supply. Alright, y'all, last but not least, we ended up going to Walgreens. I had to pick up my children's prescription, y'all, and it was a hassle. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a mom, y'all. I have 10 children, and every time it comes to me telling them... Y'all, so what I was saying was, I'm a mom of 10, y'all, and I swear, every time it comes to me picking up my children's prescriptions, and I have to pick up for, like, 6 kids, and they're like, okay, name, and okay, when is their birthday? I'm like, I'm like, ma'am, I'm sorry, I have 10 children, y'all. I swear, like, I literally have to think of the date. So, 10 or less, comment below if you do the same thing, because it doesn't even matter. Like, maybe, like, it's just hard, okay? And I'm not a bad mom because I don't remember. I'm just, y'all, it's just a lot, okay? Oh, y'all, also, I wanted to tell y'all what I was telling y'all in the car. These chips are so good. I promise y'all, go check these out, y'all. They are the bomb. Mel, they good? They good. Marty, they good? They good. They're good, y'all. Even though I got the kids' approval, y'all, and they ain't nothing but 140 calories. And the other ones, the red bag is 130 calories, y'all. They're so good. So definitely go try them out. They are at my absolute favorite chips right now. So I'm definitely going to have these. And y'all, I've been loving my Starbucks cup. Y'all, I put everything in this cup. So I'm so glad I finally got one, and it's red. Yeah, I need it. Y'all, so I'm sitting on my bedroom floor. I am so glad that my carpet got clean. Like, my bedroom carpet got clean, and my rug that goes on my bedroom floor got clean, y'all. Like I said, I'm so happy. But I just wanted to come and show you guys this planner. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all this. I got this from Aldi's. I can't remember how much it was. I think $15.99. I need this. It's called a parent planner, y'all. I need this so bad because, like I told y'all before, I'm a busy mama. And I have so many appointments for my kids, and this right here should be able to help me stay on track with everybody's appointments, me and my husband, and our children, okay? Because I don't know about y'all, but I just hate forgetting appointments, and I hate missing appointments and stuff like that. So, like I said, this right here should help me stay on track. But for the most part, I think I do a phenomenal job because I put all of everything inside of my phone. But it's nonetheless, I think it would be a little bit more better to actually see it written down. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to tell y'all that. I'll be back.
Let me do doctor. It's just too much. Oh wait, what about this? Oh.
Anyway, I'm about to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My little haul. Sorry I couldn't take y'all everywhere with us. I took y'all to JJ's. Yeah, JJ's. That was a new restaurant for me and babe, and I like the chicken. Husband actually tried it before me, so he wanted to take me, but it was definitely a new restaurant for us, and I'm glad, y'all. It was really good. I like the what was it, honey Cajun chicken, so good. The lemon pepper honey, oh god, disgusting. It was disgusting. It was really disgusting, y'all. That's all I gotta say about that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, so right now I'm doing my nails, and this is the first time I'm doing a gel X, y'all. And I think I like this better than my regular press-on nails, you guys. But yeah, I'm doing this. And this is my other hand, y'all. So I already cut my cuticles. I buffed my nails. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna paint them. Then I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. But so far, you guys, I love how they actually feel on my fingers. I don't feel like they're gonna come off. So with that being said, y'all, I'll be back. Yeah, I have my nails. I forgot to come back and show y'all. Yep, I love them.